Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Mirabag, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
काम करचे नात हे 2 महिने पावसाचे ना त्यामुळे काम बंद लोकही खुश तुम्ही खुश आणि हांव बी खुश
कॅन्सल प्रोजेक्ट काम बंद
हे मागीर मुखार सांगता
फक्त 2 महिने काम बंद आसतलें
मागची ऐक लक्षात घे सद्याक आतां 2 आनी मुखाले 4-5 महिने काम ना हांव आमचे मुख्यमंत्री आणि पार्टीच्या अध्यक्षांचेर उलयता आनी निर्णय घेता.
मजगती सभागृहात आमदारा आड केल्ल्या निदर्शनाचेर विजयाची बिनशर्त माफी सभापतीन मानून घेतली. पुलीस खंय तपास करतात.
The House may recall the incident that occurred on 6th March 2026 when certain persons seated in the visitors gallery raised slogans and displayed posters, thereby causing disturbance to the proceedings of the House and affecting the dignity and decorum of the August Assembly. The matter was viewed with utmost seriousness by the Chair. As such, acts within the precincts of the House have the potential to interfere with the orderly conduct of the business of the House and may amount to a breach of privilege and contempt of the House. In this regard, the Chair has consultations with the Honorable Chief Minister, who also holds the portfolio of Home Minister, to examine the matter in its entirety and to ensure that an appropriate course of action is taken in the large interest of preserving the dignity and decorum of this House, while upholding democratic values. Further, taking into consideration the unconditional apology tendered by Honorable Sri Vijay Sardesai MLA and a senior member of this House, the Chair has accepted the said apology tendered by the Honorable member. However, to uphold the dignity and decorum of the House, the restriction on the entry of the said persons into the precincts of the Goa Legislative Assembly shall continue until further orders. I hope that this decision will serve a reminder to all concerned that the sanctity and decorum of this House must always be respected.